Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mama.
Pasensya ka, wag na.
Everybody can be that guy. You can dance. You can jump.
Saan mo magsak pag gano'n? Happy birthday to you! Happy to you!
Subscribe na! Hello, welcome back to my channel. Zoe, hi, say hi. We are going to the Livermore outlet. Maga.
Zoe,
Oh, wow, that's nice. Titingin-tingin lang doon si Chanel, magsha-shopping. At sa Tuesday, we're going to Hawaii. Ayan. Rich people. Mas mura kasi my friends and friendship dito sa outlet. Ang mga may signature na mga bag. Pag dito ka bumibili kay pag nandoon ka sa mall sobra na double na ang price. Ito ang bagsakan sa mga outlet. Kaya nakabihis na naman si Mama Ella.
I know, that's what I'm thinking too.
Nandito kami, my friends and friendship, sa Livermore outlet. Andito kami San Francisco, Livermore. Yan. Armani. Nakakatakot naman. May maraming bulaklak. Mamaya baka magkaroon na naman ako ng allergy. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito. Ito yung kay Giorgio Armani na outlet. Ito rin ang siguradong mahal dito rin. Kahit outlet ito mahal din. Ayan, Baliani Jewelers. Ayan. Yes, Baliani Jewelers. Oh, ito yung Jimmy Choo. Ito ang Jimmy Choo, ah. Yung mga sanigla. Ay, maganda ang mga bag din nila nito. Ayan. And then Versace. Naku, lahat talaga, my friends. Yan yung Stuart Weitzman Tad's C.H. Carolina Herrera. Wow. At yung may mga pangalan talaga siya, my friends and friends. Mamaya na kami pupunta doon at kami ay pupunta muna doon sa Tory Burch. Yung bag na kursonada ni siya. Ito naman ang Dolce Gabbana. Mayroon akong bracelet at necklace na Dolce Gabbana. Matagal na yun. Nandoon nakatago. Uy, ang gaganda ng mga damit. Dolce & Gabbana. Maganda ang mga dress. Ito naman ay ang Gucci na mga bag. Naku, I don't need na magbag ng mga na bumili ng mga ganitong mga mamahalin. Okay lang pag binigyan ako. Thank you so much. Papasok tayo, my friends and friendship. Uy, ito ang maganda.
Wow, nakakita ka na cross.
Ayan o. Ayan, maganda yan.
I know.
Yeah, that's nice. Ooh. Let's see. Ito mga... wow. Alam nyo, my friends, is $149 ang price. Sale ang mga necklace na 40% sale. Magkano kaya, Chuck?
600.
600 lang? Mura ah. Pero Chuck, ang ganda. Magkano kaya ito? Ito ang ganda oh. How much kaya yan? At itong wallet din oh. How much kaya? Ang tengo naman itong bag. See? Isa ko maraming maganda. Maganda yung cross bag. Where? How much?
Gusto ko bitagin na cross body ko.
Ito ah. So, nice. Yeah.
You like that?
Yeah, we're just only looking for a while. So I'm gonna vlog it.
You can doing that.
Yeah, and then we're gonna model so
Yeah,
that
yeah.
my friends and friendship will gonna see that. Oh, it's
If they
these are
like,
all sale.
Yeah, 40.
Yeah, that's why it's only 40%.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like
Do you like which one? I mean,
Yes, I will.
help you.
Yes,
My-
okay.
My name is Ping. I will help
Yes,
you.
okay, yo. Thank you.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, this is 229. Look at this. It's 50% off, my friends, and friendship. It's 50% off. And look at the wallet. See? It's very nice. So if you want a lot of this one, I love this. It's only a tiny bag. It's good. It's nice. Ang ganda. We are in the Tory Bush. See, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. It's really nice. No.
Very special. The letter.
It's
Looks like
elegant.
an elegant. Yeah, it's not the
Yeah.
weird one, but it looks like it.
I like, that's why I'm like,
So
Okay, like me.
oh, you look. Yeah, it's nice, Mama.
So you can do the crossbody too.
Yes.
There you go.
Nice. And look at the how much
That one.
yeah. Siya, yan ang kinuha mong bag. Ang cute.
No, this one,
Oh, this.
Yeah.
I like that one. I don't want too small. You're not
Too small, you cannot put your
I
wallet.
know.
Nothing
I mean,
to put.
doesn't fit the phone.
Yeah.
But we have a
That's only for, you know what? This is only for the party that you just only put a powder and then a lipstick.
exactly.
Yeah. Oh,
294.
294. Okay. It's only the slipper that I like.
It's on sale, 30%.
But what about the 30%?
Yeah, because my
sale?
husband's like, it's white. You think it's gonna get dirty?
So it's a wipe with the water.
Yeah.
This one is a different material. Leather, 100% leather, but it's kind of easy to take care of. Not to observe the color.
Ay, ako yung may heel. Bigat.
Hindi ko may kabayad. Come on. Hi, let's go. No, I want Chanel. I can come in a bike.
Pasok na tayo. There you go. Cha-charan. Thank you so much, Buchacha.
Judella.
Mama, can you put in your bag?
Hello. Hi, Ate Sam. Ate Sam. Happy birthday. Hi, Liam. Happy birthday, Liam. How was your birthday? Hi.
Sam.
Birthday. Is it your birthday?
Si Mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Thank you, Mama. Pasensya ka, wag na kayo mo makagulo ko. 45th birthday of Judah. Leah, I love you. Okay. Wow.
Gutom na kasi kami.
Yung tilapia.
That's why I'm waiting.
Hi, Tim.
Okay, we'll get the...
Ano siya? Hi, Tim.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Magawa ka ng sopa. Ay ako. Happy birthday, Judelia. I'm already 45.
Papa, yeah, Papa there.
Where?
Always here. Here.
Papa is saying happy birthday. Oh, I miss my Papa.
I visited Papa. Ama,
Pa, I miss you so much.
asan na yung ano?
Ang mga bisita ni Judelia, si Mikel. Chi! Hala, Chi, wala! Wow! Wow! Lance! Lan!
O si Mama! Si Mama!
Ang daya nga raw. May maisot akong pano, ang ibang color, wagid. Nami, naila ko ka
Ano ba si mama ko daw?
Oh, at least di ba kita yung tingnan niya, babaho ka?
Nami, no? Okay.
Wow, drink kayo ng cash, Jay.
Sama ako rin.
Sari ka, ma.
Saya.
Ako ba yun, ma? Ako ba yun?
1, 2, 3. One more. One more. One. 1, 2, 3.
Ay, sorry.
I-off ko na lang.
Okay.
Abe, looks 21 till 16 October 8. That's making it 45.
Lorenzo, kami.
Ay, tara pala. Kinuha na naman ni Brian.
Lulutuin ko yung Spanish bread mo. Bukas, okay? Bebeng! Besi, tingnan mo yung kay Chanel, oh.
Parang Hermes. Diba? Diba nga yung mga Hermes na bag? Oh.
Yung wallet sa loob ng may wallet.
Hindi wallet siya.
Jay? No?
Alis na! Kapit-Diyos ni Jay!
Ay, nagugutom.
Kasi may card ka.
Ito kami. Kaya wala kaming mga bisita. Kaya kami maiingay din.
Di ba kawawa?
Si Beatrice sa panganay, si Bessie at saka yung si Red sa Dabon.
Tita Bessie!
Tita Bessie! Ay naku, gutom na gutom ang anak kong panganay. Lan, gutom! Malika, kuha ka pa dito, Lan!
Kasi yung couch bag ng bayan eh.
Para po kay Gia ng baliba!
Ingay namin ang diba? Busog ako may friends. Mamaya, dami kong kinain. Kasi kami lang naman.
Sarap Bessie kumain
Ayan.
ka.
Bessie!
Dami namin kinain.
Galing sa Paris!
Kasi pala, hindi masarap.
Oh, going to Paris talaga yan!
She's singing happy birthday because you're the girl. And where is Liam boy?
Hey, birthday naman. Okay, mau magkaisang birthday. Isang
Happy
dapat.
birthday!
Ay, wow! Sa'yo mo, amon mo niya, ano? Signature na amon doon. Si Gia, alam mo yung napansin na?
Shout out sa pinsan kong si Bibot rin, si Perlas. Shout out Bibot sa New York.
Chacha, picture naman.
Lorenzo, look right here.
Bot na remember, ganyan tayong
1, 2,
dalawa ko.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yan bot, pareho tayo noon.
Mama, ko'y alima nga ron.
Limo. Aray,
Ikaw, video ba ba? Ikaw, picture ha?
masarap tayo sa alam. Siya isang kiri lang. Naku, alam mo.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Nonel. Ayan.
Happy birthday
Ayun o.
to you!
Okay. Okay, wait.
Ano yan?
Okay. Ay, ano yung...
Tan, 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 tan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ha! dahil nawala na si Papa Dudes. Papa Dudes, I miss you so much! Okay. Hindi na kasi gaw itong mga...
Huwag ko tayo picturing.
Okay. Kumain ka lang. Kumain ka.
Sugar mo dyan.
Ayan mo. Dahil ano na, baba na.
Pansin naman ang ambok, ma?
Yeah, happy 45th birthday. 45th birthday. Ayan, birthday. Ayan, birthday. Ayan, ang ate Jessica. Kasama napunta niya New York. New York. Saan? Ay, hindi pala. Saan niya kayo napunta? Sa France. Wow. Sa France. Okay, ang ganda ng bag na pinasalubong niyo sa akin. I love it. Oh.
Paano to may papel at siya? Ha? May papel?
Dapat ko ano papel?
Ano ba? Dali na ako ba? Ito, dali mo din. Wala! Kailangan siya doon dyan. Hindi pwede.
Tawag mo sila sa buda. Pablo!
Oh my God!
Gusto kong maging masaya. Ay, gusto kong maging happy. Kaya lang parang outside lang. Ang aking happiness wala sa loob. What about Mama?
Hold on, Mama next, Mama.
Mama, I love you.
Oh. Tita Bessie, Tita Bessie.
Tita Bessie! To you! Happy birthday, kapuan! Silang magkapatid yan. Kita short. Sino? I-blurry mo ha? Logan! What's up, man? Ay, gahibigot ah.
Happy birthday, Jody Sin.
Ay! Judel! Ay! What are you gonna say? Happy birthday! Happy 45th 45 birthday!
Kailangan talagang ihambal sa video for the time.
Hi guys!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Say happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy 45! Kuya!
Maligayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday! Mag-happy birthday! Nahiya! Happy birthday! Ah, okay. Bobo?
Drama.
He just woke up, I told you.
Hey, tapos ano naman yung ma? Again, he just bombe. Hey, try ba? Gawin na agad, mo.
Say cheese!
Cash! Bakit talaga? Blow mo si Cash, blow.
Tama.
Sigurado. I told you guys he just woke. Oh, bukan. Take two. Makarama. Tan. May tan. Huli ka! Diabetic!
Holy ka! Pero hindi kulong.
Ay, hindi ko lang!
Happy 45 birthday!
My mommy is 45 years old!
Binabinuking yun.
How old is she?
Can you get ano?
Message.
Other way.
Message.
Ay, ano pala? Di ba message?
Message. Parang si Sophie.
Pilitan message.
Kinahan may message.
Happy birthday, Judella! You're 45 years old today! Happy birthday, Judel! You are 45 today! Okay, what are you gonna say? Just say happy birthday!
I can burp happy birthday watch me.
Please do not. Just... Enzo! You do too much!
That's so cute!
I know, why are you so guapo?
Guapo! Ay,
birthday, Judo! Happy birthday, Judo! Happy birthday, Judo!
How old is she? How old is she?
45.
Come on. How old is she?
45.
My mommy is 45 years old!
Mama,
Hi!
what are you gonna say?
Happy birthday, Joe.
How old is Judel?
Judel, 45!
45. Oh, what are you gonna say?
She's feeling 16, feeling 21, feels 16, and acts like she's
She's 45.
45.
Okay, you already did yours. One more for the birthday. Just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Ate Bessie, one more for the birthday girl.
Happy birthday!
One more.
Maligayang kaarawan.
Maligayang karawan. Hello. Mag-happy birthday ulit, kuya. Okay, so happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Yes. Oh, hi, ate. Mwah. Hi, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
What are you gonna say to your mama?
Happy birthday.
How old is she?
48. 48.
I think you're just being She's 45! Judah, I'm telling. Dal, Samantha said you're 48 years old. What do you gotta say?
Happy birthday.
How old is she?
45.
Yes! She's 45! So, this is the food for my sister Judella's 45th birthday. We got some beefsteak. Oh! This is Papa's favorite! This is Papa's favorite. Pancit.
Nakadalawa siya, of course, good. We got 2 slices. Because my honey is 44 years old.
Grabe man palakpak! Grabe! See that girl? Digging the dancing queen! Ikaw ang pitche. Shopping. Ikaw gawin mo, Che. Gawin mo rin. Che, ikaw rin. Fashion din!
Ilan tayo na ba?
Oh, hindi na po. Kailan tayo kuyo to? O, tingnan mo. What is that? Do not destroy, please. Thank you. O, tingnan mo. Daming mga
What if we need to
ayan. Oh my God. Hi, good. Good job. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's your name? Kasho. Oh, how old are you, Cash boy? Ay, your shoes is that change in the other side. Yeah, you might fall down if you're hold on. And put it on the other side. Okay, hold on, hold on. Okay, give me your shoes. It's okay here and here.
And
Sa akin, hawakan mo maigi. Hawakan mo maigi. Hawakan mo maigi. Oh, you look Kim Jong-un. You're so cute. That's it. Nasa bahay na kami. Hi, my friends and friendship. I'm so happy. But I'm already sleepy. So good night, everyone. Thank you for watching.